YouTube, this is a video I do not want to have to make, but this storm is bad. There's a tree in my backyard. Oh! I don't know if I'm supposed to be going over there. Yeah, Mama, there's a tree on the building. That big tree there fell. That big tree. Let's go over here and get a better view. What's on the building? There's a tree on top of the building. That big limb fell. Yeah, there's a bad storm over here. Thumbnail title for the video, my trampoline's broken.
We got her to the climb. Wait, thank God. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. Close as crap. Oh! Oh, that's bad.
Thank God that big one didn't hit nothing.
No, this is squishing the building. Come over here and get this view of it. That's down. That's gone. Lacey, come over here. That's gone. Yeah, there's Buddy right there. Yeah, big storm. Just to think, this is my backyard. I was in Anniston at the time. I come back, I see a big bulldozer in the front yard and a cop car down there and a bunch of debris in the road. And I'm not talking NASCAR debris. Holy! Oh, it's a lake down here.
Dude, that makes every single prank get energy right here, you know.
Big tree falls.
And this is the only public run standing in Talladega.
Yeah. Too bad for Talladega. I wonder what the racetrack should be like. Big redwood. Redwood for my backyard. Ruining my perfect white shoes, but yeah. Don't expect these every morning. I have half of my building squished. My trampoline. At least nothing major. Bad. Well, yeah, this is major, but at least it ain't no big. Yeah. At least nothing fatal, but I'll keep y'all updated.